Hello guys, do you have some problem with your homemade mayonnaise? This is why you are watching this video. Why your mayonnaise get crazy? This is a translation from Italian language. We say that the mayonnaise, when happen like this, that is not very creamy but very liquid, get mad or get crazy. So the reason are only two. Probably the first one because you don't follow my recipe. If you follow my recipe, you have no problem. The second one because you don't follow my advice. When you make the mayonnaise with a mixer like this, you need the cup of the mixer with the holes. But don't worry, now I help you. Instead of throw everything away and start from the beginning, now we add one yolk inside our jar, 1 tablespoon of water from the classic water from the tap, sorry, forgot, and maybe 1 teaspoon of vinegar. After, with a mini pin, you cover the egg, the yolk, use on the mixer and very slow you go up until all the oil with the eggs become a mayonnaise. Very easy. I don't know if you have noticed, in the egg there was 2 small yolks instead of 1 big. So let's hope that everything go well, because like I mentioned before, you need to start from the yolk. So now we'll try to collect the yolk together and start for that. And voila! The mayonnaise is ready. It's not crazy anymore. Now it's normal mayonnaise, like we say in Italian language. Very easy if you follow this type of recipe. You find the recipe here on my channel. Because after that you make the mayonnaise, you close with the lid and you store in the fridge for 3-4 days. Remember that it's homemade, so you cannot store in the fridge for months like the one that you buy it. But the taste is very spectacular. And this one is much softer. Spectacular. Okay guys, remember to subscribe to the channel, to leave me a like, to share this video with your friends. For any question, any suggestion, always down in the comment. Bye bye. Spectacular.